everyone, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we are diving into the work schedule, and by the end, you will have all the insights you need to see the usage of the work schedule in the Bitrix24. So grab a seat, hit that like button, and let's get started. So, work schedule is to regulate and control the employee's working hour. This feature allows you to set the clock in clock out times, weekly, work days and break times and the durations for your employees. So for adding the work schedule, we just need to click on the add schedule. Here we will see we have three types of schedules over here, that is the fixed, flexible and the shifts. Suppose the employee that are involved into the production work on the fixed schedule from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. every day. It benefits both employees and the company which set the working hours and known workshop schedule. Suppose the employee which is working in the shifts, that is the support service operator, that is who is working for the 24 by 7, the employee workday or night shifts. This ensure there are always someone available to assist the customer with any questions or issues. In the flexible work schedule, the creative department is responsible for generating the new ideas, that is the employee follow a flexible schedule, and this allow to flexible approach to work and prompts creativity. So this is how these three shifts works over here. You can add the schedule title over here. Below that we are having option of the reporting period. So you can set the reporting period for this particular employees according to the month, week, 2 weeks or quarter wise. This setting will apply for the all employees, or you just want to set this particular setting to the particular employee, you just need to add that employees over here. Once you add that employee over here, below that we have the work hours. In work hours you just need to set your working days along with the work hours and the break. So this will automatically calculate your duration for the total working days. Below that we have the holiday list according to the quarter wise. So as you can see over here, there are holidays, so you just need to click on that particular date, so it will automatically add it below in the holidays. As you can see over here, suppose I click on both of these options, so it will appear over here, that is the two holidays of apart in the 26 weekend days. Below that we are having the option of the clock in clock out and the work schedule. That is the clock in clock out. You can set the fixed clock in clock out time for your employees, working hours per day, maximum length to the shift clock in clock out times, and the maximum working hours for the reporting period. So you can set all this information over here. Suppose you want to add some notification to the supervisor for this format, so you can set the supervisor over here for the particular notification. And once you click on the save, the work schedule is created over here for the particular employees or the all employees. So this is how the work schedule works in the Bitrix 24. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more content. Drop your thoughts or questions in the comments below, and I will see you in the next one.